Hello everyone. Welcome back to the session. Today we are discussing about the types of plan. Have you ever heard the saying those who fail to plan to fail? While I can't speak to all the facets of life, this is certainly true in business. Managers find themselves planning for all sort of things. Planning is one of the most important and the first function of management. It is an activity that managers of all levels have to perform. So, according to the levels of management, the type of plan will differ. Now, let us see the different types of plan in management. Here, based on the usage and length of the planning period, the plans can be mainly classified into three types. There is single use plan, and the second one is standing plan, and the third one is neither single use plan and nor standing plan. Let us move to the first one, single use plans. Single use plans are developed for one time event or for one time project. These plans are prepared for non-recurring situations. That means they are not repetitive in nature. The duration of this plan may be for a day or for a week or for a month depending upon the types of the product. The best example are budgets or programs or a project. The next one is standing plan. These plans are the plans designed and used for the activities that occur regularly over a period of time. It is usually developed once, but it is modified time to time to meet the business needs as required. The best example is policy. The policy will be prepared once or developed once, but it is modified or it is changed based on the situations. And the last one is neither a single use plan nor standing plan. The best example for this is strategy or objective. This is the second type of plan. Based on what the plans seeks to achieve, the plans can be classified as first one objectives, then strategy, policy, procedures, methods, rule, program, and the last one is budget. Let us begin. The first one is objectives. As we have learned in the process of planning, that is the setting up of objective is the first step. So objectives are the basics of every company and the desired objectives or result that the company plans on achieving. So they should be result oriented. Strategy. This is obviously the next type of plan, the next step that follows objectives. They are formulated by top management for the successful accomplishment or the achievement of the objectives in the competitive environment. The next one is policy. What are policies? Yes, they are the statements. So, policies are the general statements that guide the thinking of decision makers. They are guides to the managerial actions and decisions in the implementation of strategy. The fourth one is procedure. So these procedures are the next type of plan. They are a stepwise guide for a routine to carry out the activities. Take for example the procedure of admissions of a student in the college. The procedure starts with filling out an application form. It will be followed by a collection of documents and sorting the applications accordingly. So this is a stepwise guide to carry out the activities. Methods. What are methods? This word will be used in our day-to-day life. Yes, methods are prescribed ways or manner in which the task has to be performed. So methods helps in achieving the or helps in giving the clear instructions to the employees, as well as it removes any type of confusions. Then it also helps in ensuring the uniformity in the actions of the employees. The next type of plan is rule. We are very familiar with this word, rule. So this rule create an environment of discipline in the organization. What are rules? Rules are very specific statements that define an action. The rule of no smoking is one such example for rule. The next one is program. Program. What are programs? They are nothing but statements. So programs are the detailed statements about a project, any project which outlines the objectives or policies, procedures or rules or any job or any task or human and physical resources. The best example is for the program is for opening 10 new branches by the end of year 2020. Let us move to the last one, is budget. We will hear this word frequently, isn't it? There are many types of budgets that managers make. What are budgets? They are the quantitative statements, so they are expressed in numerical terms, in numbers. It helps in forecasting the future expenses of the organization. Cash budget or sales budgets or purchase budgets are the examples for the budget. Thank you. Happy learning.